Okay, so to use Runge Kutta methods, so the second and third order are already present in TI Nspire. If you have to look, you can look it in this one, dictionary or library, but the Runge Kutta fourth order is not there. So basically, if the function is like this, a value is like this, y naught is this, b and then n, you basically just like write it sequentially over here. X plus y 0 1 0.1 10, and we'll give you the final value, final x and y of the fourth order. So obviously this is not a built-in function, you have to install it, and now I will explain to you how to do that as well. Okay, so now if you have to install it, first you have to download the GitHub repository rk4 method file. Just press the download raw file and we'll download it onto your system. And then if you have not installed the student software, you have to install it. For Mac, you use the first link. For Windows, the third link. Install it and activate the trial if you don't have the key. And then the student software looks like this. And then look for Documents toolbox, and then look for Content Explorer. And then once you have it connected, it will look like this. So you also have to connect the calculator with using the USB cable, the same cable used for charging it. Just connect it to your PC and double click it and look for the my library folder, right? My library folder, and then just like drop it, the rk4 file which you just downloaded, into the my library folder. Right, and that's it. That's all it takes to install the whole thing. Okay, so after installing it, how to use it? You have two ways of using this on your calculator. First way is a very simple one. Go to browse and my library folder where you have saved it. Look for rk4. You open it, press menu, check syntax and store, and click on run. Right, and then just simply type it all out, press enter, and it'll give you the values. And then the option B is the recommended method. So in this, what you do is you make a new document, calculator. First thing you do is refresh the libraries. Right. And then after refreshing it, you also make a shortcut for the my library. So the file we saved, its name is rk4, and then what you want to call it, like a calling name. So let's say we call it R. It's a shortcut name basically, and just like that. And then whenever you press R and then dot, it will show you exactly what you want, whatever is in that file. And then you just do the same thing. And then it will give you the value. So why is it better? Is because in this like one file, you can add other functions as well, other iterative method, other numerical methods like bisection method, Simpson method, any other computational method you want to add. And you can just like save it as you can save state basically. You can save it as iterative methods. Right, you can come back to this and then have like multiple shortcuts, and that is it. And then if you want to check out other numerical methods, you can check out this repository. It has a lot of them, and I will be adding it regularly, more methods. So let me know if you need anything else. And that's like the way to do different functions which are not built inside the TI Nspire.